Alright, YouTubers, here's another tip, an idiot-proof tip to install the timing belt on a CB7. I'm sorry, this is a 95. I own two CB7s, so I get confused. My daughter's 95. First thing you do is when you remove the old belt, put marks on the lower part of the belt. Mark the bottom sprocket and mark the belt. Paint mark two spots on the timing gear, the top timing gear, and the belt. Take the marks, take your new belt and put marks on the same spots. Count the teeth, put marks on the same spot. Well, before you do that, before you install the belt, on the tensioner, install a timing cover bolt to hold the tensioner loose. Pull it down, install that bolt to hold the tensioner loose. Then you simply slip the belt, put it on the top timing gear first, and then bring it down and match up the marks on the bottom. Route it around the water pump. You can cable tie timing belt onto the top where the marks are marked at the marks so it doesn't slip. And it goes on pretty easy that way. Now all I have to do is install the balance shaft belt. And remove the nut that I have, keeping tension on the tensioner. Alright, that's tip number 2 for installing the timing belt.